Alright, welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have a in-vehicle amplifier. I say in-vehicle because it was designed more for like motorcycles, ATVs, and things like that have a small area to improve their audio. So that's why it has such a small footprint. This is the KS 125.2 by Arc Audio, and they say Arc Audio Mini, and it's got a BX2 next to it because of a bass feature or bass extender feature for this amplifier. Anyway, I just really wanted to show you how this unit is functioning and to provide you with more information on this unit. I already have it hooked up to my 12-volt power supply and a couple of bookshelf speakers which are 8 ohms. So it's not going to put a lot of strain on the amp itself. But let's just go ahead and turn it on for right now, just to at least let you hear what it sounds like. Okay, let's put it on another song. Okay, so let's do some quick adjustments in here. Here's your gain controls on top. So let me go ahead and go over this amplifier in a little bit. As far as physical aspects, this thing is really small in footprint. It is 8.25 inches wide by 4.8 inches tall, and then it's 1.75 inches deep. So it's really small and can fit pretty much anywhere, whether you use it in a motorcycle or in a car. It works fine in terms of being able to put it in place. It's got a fan on top to cool down the amplifier. It is a Class G amplifier, so it stays minimal and cool in terms of temperature. On one side of this amp is the power connection plus the LED indicator for power that it's on. You've got your fuse holder here, and then you've got your 12 volts, your turn on lead, and then your ground here. It can accept up to 4 gauge wire. And on the other side, so you'll see here, it's got your speaker connections. They're screw type terminals. It's got your RCA input, and it's also got the speaker level input here. I don't have the connector, but it's got speaker level input. And then you have a button here that lets you use the speaker level input or RCA in. So that has to be out, or you push it in for using speaker level in. And then the features wise, you've got a variable crossover network here, plus you've got a setting for full output, so full range. You've got crossover into high, or if you're using it for bass or low frequency, you have low. So if you, let's listen to this here. Let's put up the gain control. Okay, so it's on full, if I put it on low, as you can see there, you can barely hear it. You can change the crossover network to crossover at 500, from 40 hertz to 500 hertz right there. So you can literally just dial in what frequency you want. If you're using it for like component speakers and you want to cross it over at a certain range, again, you can lower it to from 40 hertz to 500 hertz, or you can put it on full. And then you've got, again, another, if you put this on low, here you go. And then as far as this BX2 extender, this is a enhancer to let you hear frequencies beyond what it's set at. So if you turn it off, you'll hear the bass or lower mid frequency range pretty flat, and then turning it on will enhance the output on the lower end. So that's pretty cool for such a small amplifier. And again, showing you just how it works. It does have some scuffs here and there, but otherwise it works really nice. It's got scuffs right here and here, and it is a force induction fan, so it blows air into the inside of the amplifier, and it's got some vents out here on the side. That is pretty much what this amplifier is. Again, a really cool amp. Pretty nice sounding amp for Class G, and yeah, it sounds pretty good for such a small amp. It's great for tight, small places, in small cars or motorcycles or anything like that, where you can hide it, and it seems to stay really cool. Alright, that's pretty much what I really wanted to go over. Hope you enjoyed that video of the ARC Audio Mini, which is the KS 125.2 BX2. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and possibly join the channel. That's Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Alright, some quick additional information on this, and to make sure you have all the specs on this amp. This amp has a frequency response of 20 to 20 kilohertz. The variable frequency is from literally 55 to 550 hertz. It's got a signal to noise ratio of 92 dB. Input sensitivity of 170 millivolts to 3.5 volts. And then the wattage output on this is 70 watts times 2, or at 4 ohms, or 125 watts times 2 on 2 ohms, and then 250 watts times 1 on 4 ohm. This is not recommended for 2 ohm bridged connectivity. For bridged mode only, okay? So just want to make sure you know that, so you don't cook the amplifier or anything like that. That's it. I just wanted to add that quick specs on this unit, and make sure that that's part of the video. Thanks.